Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. iPhone 8 Plus. Thank God for the finance program. So here's a funny story. I went to the doctor today, and I was telling him that my breathing is getting worse. And I didn't go there expecting to have a chest x-ray done. So, when I go to Shreveport, actually when I go anywhere, but especially when I go to Shreveport, I pack my pistol inside my waistband underneath my shirt. And so I went to the doctor with my gun because, I never get undressed, or you never has to check underneath my shirt for nothing. So if I had any idea that they were going to give me an x-ray, I'd have left it in my truck. But I was already up there where they do the x-rays. And I have metal buttons on my shirt, and I didn't know they were metal. And she didn't know until they showed up on the x-ray. She said, "You're going to have to take your shirt off." And I thought, what do I do? What do I do? So I told her, I said, "Lady, I have to tell you, I have a concealed carry permit, and I wasn't expecting to have an x-ray, or else I would have left it in my car, but I have my pistol on my hip. If that's going to be a problem, I could run out to my car and leave it in the car." And I expected, commotion. I expected her to be upset that I was packing heat. And she said, "Oh, that's no problem. You wouldn't believe the amount of people that come in here with a gun on their hip." That was a bit of a shock. So I thought that was kind of funny that she wasn't the least bit concerned with me having a gun on my hip inside the hospital. Okay, see ya. Just wanted to show you my evil black high-capacity assault straw. These should not be in the hands of civilians. Only the military and police should have these.
There we go. Take the ticket. It's right here. And there's your dinner.
Really, this is our dinner. She put 20 bucks in, and we came here to eat, and it wasn't open, so we decided to gamble a little bit, and she put 20 bucks in and turned it into 70. That's going to pay for our food.